Over the last few weeks while isolating here at home with my family, we've been eating a lot of comfort foods. And while that's been fantastic, as the temps have been coming up and been so hot lately, I've been craving something that's a little healthier, a little lighter, and refreshing. So that's why I wanted to share with you today my easy blender gazpacho. So this is how easy it is to make gazpacho. Now, I have made a small dice of the peppers, cucumbers, and some of the scallions. That's for the topping. We'll use that later. The rest of this all goes inside the blender. So we've got the tomatoes. Yep, you caught it. A couple of tomatoes got loose. But blend them up and make plenty of room in there for the rest of the ingredients. And you're gonna add in the rest of the vegetables, the basil, the garlic, and then you're gonna add in your seasonings and your spices and blend it until it's super smooth. So once it's done blending, I like to pour it into a big bowl like this, and then I put it in the refrigerator and let it chill all the way through. So here it is, my easy blender gazpacho, and I gotta tell you, it's making me feel healthier already. Yeah, it's not even the slightest bit true, but it's really good, and it's got a little kick from those jalapenos as well. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.